In the network there were photos of the front panel of the not yet announced flagship smartphone Huawei P30 Pro. Apparently, the Chinese manufacturer will refuse the newfangled solution with a hole in the screen for the front camera, as in the upcoming Huawei Nova 4. Judging by the photos, in the Huawei P30 Pro there will be a small drop-shaped notch under the front-facing camera at the top of the display. The bottom frame will be slightly thicker than the others, and the sides of the screen will be slightly bent, as in Samsung or Huawei Mate 20 Pro smartphones. In one more picture next to protective windows for the Huawei P30 Pro, Samsung Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S10 Plus. Recall that the last two devices, according to rumors, will receive screens with a diagonal of 6.1 and 6.4 inches, respectively. Judging by the photos, the flagship Huawei display will be even larger than the Galaxy S10 Plus. It is expected that Huawei P30 Pro will provide the flagship processor, Kirin 980, performed on the 7nm process technology, and the new sensor camera Sony IMX607 with a resolution of 38 megapixels and support for the focus system quad-pixel PDAF. The remaining characteristics of the novelty are not yet known. The Huawei P30 Pro presentation is worth the wait in early 2019.